You have started your YouTube channel and uploaded some videos. You got few subscribers and some views. This is not what was expected. I'll be showing you today how to get your first 100 subscribers and start growing your YouTube channel. You should know that more than 45% of YouTube channels have less than 100 subscribers. They are expected to be more than 22 million channels, and this proves that getting your first 100 subscribers is the hardest part in your YouTube success. Once you pass the 1,000 subscribers milestone, you will be in the top 11% of all YouTubers. I have done a research about this subject, and you can find the link to my article in the description below the video. Get your first 100 subscribers on your YouTube channel by following the below tips. 1. How do you position yourself? Positioning is establishing your identity or brand in the minds of your audiences. You have to be clear on what content you'll be delivering and what value you're offering. Always be sure that your viewers will get something after watching your videos. Whether they are entertained, learn something new, or even engage in a conversation with you. Always ask yourself this question: what value do I provide to let my audiences subscribe to my channel? 2. Create a good community with your first subscribers. They will be your first supporters. Reply to their comments and answer their questions. On my first channel, all my followers really appreciate that I reply to each of their comments. Later, your first subscribers can help you to spread the word and promote your channel for free. 3. Branding. Your brand should stand out. You should have a professional channel banner that is consistent with your thumbnails, your profile picture, and your social media links. Write everything about your brand and what value you will be offering in the About section of the channel. Create eye-catching thumbnails that make people curious so they want to click to watch your videos. 4. Learn the art of practicing. If you are starting a YouTube channel, you have the luxury of testing everything. I have created all types of YouTube videos like talking head, green screen where you can change the background, voiceovers only, and whiteboard videos. You will know what works and what doesn't, and always follow the rule of 30 as it was discussed in my previous video, Why My YouTube Channel is Failing. 5. Call to action. Simply ask your viewers to subscribe. Content is the king. You have provided your audience with quality content and they are happy. What will be the next step? Direct them to subscribe to your channel, as this will help you to create more quality content. 6. Nobody is perfect. Take action and be consistent in creating new content. Don't seek perfection. Use all the tools you have now. You get a little bit today, a little bit tomorrow until you reach your objective. I have built my channel to more than 104k subscribers using this Samsung waterproof digital camera. 7. Don't forget that YouTube is a search engine. You have to identify what are the right keywords that people are searching for related to your topic. In the first stage, until you have a good number of subscribers, you have to create content based on what people are searching for. 8. Study your market and do a comprehensive competitors research. You have to follow all successful people in your niche and find why they are successful. Learn from them. Study popular videos. Just remember to be yourself and never copy anyone else. 9. Promote your channel everywhere. Join online forums, Facebook groups, talk about your channel with your friends. Become a promotion machine and use all social media platforms to your advantage. 10. Follow YouTube best practices. Check the playlist in the description below to watch helpful YouTube channel tips. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, hit the thumbs up and let's know what you think in the comments below. Build a successful video marketing strategy and grow your business YouTube channel. Do that by subscribing and clicking on the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video so you don't miss a thing. I'll see you on the next video.